Hello everyone. Let us look at another AI visual, which is the Q&A. The Q&A allows you to ask a question in natural language and get the result. Let's have a look. So I'm going to select the Q&A. Another shortcut for using the Q&A is to simply double click anywhere on the page, and this will open up the Q&A. So we want to ask a few questions. So let's say we want to know the sales, and it automatically tells me that my total sales is let me do it one more time. My total sales is 12.64 million. Let's copy and paste it, and let's ask it for the profit as well, 1.47 million. What if I want to see my sales by segment, maybe as a pie chart, right? Again, you notice it works beautifully. Like this, and I will just say as a pie, and now it shows me a pie chart. The best part is that these are also connected to each other. So when I click on any one of the segments, you notice the cards change automatically. Let's ask one more. So now I'm asking it to show me who are my top 5 customers. And again, it works beautifully like this. Amazing, right? And so practical. Now, there are other things you can do with it. For example, imagine that I ask it to show me who are my best customers. So I will say best customer. Now, the problem is that best doesn't really mean anything, right? So it says that we don't know what the term signifies. So I can define best. And now I can say that best refers to a subset of customer names. So any customer who has a sales, let's say greater than 10,000, are referred to as best customers. And you notice that from the entire data, there are only 5 customers who have sales higher than 10,000. And it remembers this term that you have taught it, which means that now the Q&A will work. And when you say best customer, it is able to show you who the best customer are. And if you say profit, it shows you the profit for these top 5 customers as well. You can also click on the gear icon to get access to these options. Field synonyms allows you to use the suggested terms which are given to you automatically, or you can also create your own term. For example, maybe when somebody writes market, it picks up the market, but when somebody writes location, it doesn't quite know what to do. For example, when I say sales by location, now it's a little confused because it doesn't really understand what location refers to. So what is it doing? It is picking up the region. But maybe in my understanding, the location should refer to the market. That is the language that we use internally within the company. So what I can do is I can go to location, click on the gear icon, and I can say that we would like to add a field synonym. So I will now go to my market, and we will add a term which is my location, like this. What does this mean? This means that now when I say sales by location, it understands that whenever Havish says location, it is actually referring to the market. So like this, there are a few options available. The important ones I've shown you, the field synonyms, as well as the teach Q&A. But of course, you have other terms like the managed terms is something we just did. Customer name, if the sales is greater than 10,000, is best, etc. This is still in preview. That means that they keep on adding more and more features to it. So make sure to click on the link here and go to the website if you want to read more about it. Needless to say, the Q&A that you create can also be connected with other charts that you have. Also, if you click on this button, the Q&A will be converted into a standard visualization so that you can now make other formatting changes to it. Let me give you an example. If I convert my table into a normal visual, now it's just a normal table and I can continue to do formatting changes to it like this.